Hi everyone. Another little taste test here. We've got this look, Vita Coco, infused with CBD. 20 milligrams of CBD extract. Cola flavour, sparkling drink with coconut water from concentrate. Natural extracts and CBD CBD. Ingredients: carbonated water, coconut water, barley malt extract, natural flavours, broad spectrum hemp extract, citric acid. This drink contains CBD and is not recommended for children, pregnant or breastfeeding women, if you are taking medication or have a severe medical condition. Consult a doctor before use and do not exceed 70 milligrams a day. Not suitable for people under 18 years old. These are for sale at the moment by Vita Coco, and they are £1.50 a tin, and they are from Sainsburys. There's the Coca-Cola one, or cola flavoured, and there's an apple and ginger. And there's 330 millilitres per can. Cheers to chill. We love nature's super ingredients so much that we've brought two of them together to make this refreshing, sparkling CBD drink. It turns out that coconuts and sun-grown hemp are a perfect match. Sure you can see in there. It smells like the really cheap colas that you can buy. It's a most unusual flavour. Not that I've ever had any, but I assume that it tastes like fly spray. You know the old fly sprays and the smell? It's very similar in taste, if that makes sense. CBD at the moment, of course, as you'll know, is a big thing, with many of the health shops selling them, the herbalists selling them. It's supposed to be a natural painkiller, when used correctly, of course. But it's certainly got a very, very strange taste. It's neither pleasant nor unpleasant. And I don't know if you've ever bought one of them 17 pence bottles of Coca-Cola from Sainsburys. that's just what it smells like. It's got quite a bitter aftertaste. And to be fair, not very pleasant at all. So this one is identical in content and this is apple ginger. Which again contains hemp and coconut water. Again, as I say, £1.50 a can, and just thought we'd give them a go. This one smells a lot nicer. Again, if I'm honest, it's a very nondescript taste. Don't know if that's the coconut water or whatever, but can't taste the apple. And the taste of ginger is, it's there, but it's nothing to write home about, as they say. And we'll see if it really does chill us out, eh? Cheers to chill. Produced in London for the Vita Coco, France, SAS Sainsburys. Apple and ginger sparkling drink with coconut water from concentrate, natural extracts and CBD. Very attractive tins. Not so sure about the content though. There we are. So to all the 312 Jenki family members, I hope that you have an amazing day, whatever you're doing. Take care of yourselves, and if you've enjoyed watching this, please click the like button and leave a comment in the box below if you've tried these products or any other products like this. Hit the bell icon for any future uploads. And if you haven't subscribed already, please feel free to subscribe. Help the family grow, become part of the bigger team. Blessings to you all. Namaste. And may your God go with you.